In this video, I'm going to go over installing Kodi Media Player as a MythTV front end on an Android device. So what I have here is a Nexus 7 tablet, and to get started we'll need to download and install the Kodi app. So we'll go to the Google Play Store and we'll just type in Kodi, and you'll see the Kodi icon here, and we'll hit install and we'll accept. Now we'll download Kodi. Now I'm going to be connecting to a MythTV backend built on an Intel NUC, and it's running with an HT Home Run Extend tuner. And I have a number of videos on that build, and I'll put a link in the description to a playlist with my backend and some other front end builds using Raspberry Pis and such. So I'll do that. Okay, the install is complete, so now I'll hit open here. And we'll see the Kodi interface here. To set up a MythTV front end, we'll need to go to System over here. It's going through our first run. We can just hit OK. Get back to the home screen. It's running the first run, but we'll go to System, and then we'll go to Settings and TV, and we'll enable TV. Now we're gonna get an error message here saying that there is no PVR add-on enabled, so we'll hit OK, and that'll take us to the PVR client screen. And on the left here we'll see a MythTV PVR client, and we'll tap that, and then we'll want to hit configure. And I have the defaults mostly set up on my MythTV backend build, so I'll just go to IP address here, and I'll remove this IP address, and I'll hit IP here and make 192.168.7 161. Okay, that's my correct IP address, and I'll hit done and done, and then I'll hit OK. And we still need to enable this, so I'll hit the enable button here, and then I can close this configuration screen, and I'll go back to the home screen. And it doesn't seem to load right away, so what I like to do is I'll exit out of here, and we'll actually go just to the main home screen here, and you'll see there's the Kodi icon. We'll just hit that again, and it'll load it up, and we'll look up here. It'll say it's loading the importing the channel guide, and now we have a new TV icon here, and we can go to the guide. And we can open up a channel here. And you see it'll run in this little screen here.
Shall some transatlantic giant step through?
And just like any other Kodi client, we can go in here and pause live TV.
Never.
And we can play live TV.
All the armies of Europe and Asia could not
We can stop it, and then we can go back. We can go to recordings here. This interface can be a little tricky to run at times. There we go. We'll say default. I've got America's Got Talent here, and I can just pick one of these. And this is running some recorded content. Okay. Now I'm using an HD Home Run Extend, which has transcoding capabilities, and my default on there is 520 resolution. I'll show you that here. So we'll exit out of this and we'll go to Chrome. And I'll type in the IP address of my HD Home Run. And this will bring up the web interface. And if we go to transcode configuration, you can set the default transcode profile. So mine's at Internet 540. So that's essentially like a 540p recording. I haven't tested this with native HD video. I don't really care to. You can always try that if you set this up. Or if you're having lagging issues, you can try one of the lower settings, maybe like Internet 360. And when you set this on your HD Home Run with your MythTV backend, it will record that in that native format, and it'll stream that to your Kodi front end. So you should be able to run it on Kodi on the Android device. And I've actually run this with the recording and let it run for a couple hours, and it worked great. Had pretty decent video life. So you know, I think this is a pretty good solution for running Kodi on a portable device. It's you can't run Kodi on an iOS device, so an Android tablet like this is a pretty good option. So, and one reason I got this Android tablet was to test Kodi, and I chose the Nexus 7 because it runs the latest Android 5.1 operating system. So, well, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this channel, please subscribe and please hit that like button. And again, if you check out the description, I'll have a link to my other videos on MythTV backend and cord cutting and things like that. So, thanks for watching.